Good morning, everyone. Today we're back with Scraps to Embellishments, and today we are doing not die cut flowers, dancing daisies, and it's anything with a daisy. And this is another die that I got on Amazon, and they had a bunch of daisy ones. It was like probably the most popular flower on there, I think. Well, I don't know, because you know the other flowers I really don't know. Daisies are one that I know. Well, anyhow, you get 4 flower dies, 2 leaves, and then the little thing in the middle. And anyway, it takes all 4 of these to make the flower. And I have to tell you, they are gorgeous. I love them. Okay, so I've made them, and I've put, this one has, I think it's tea dye. Oh, antique linen. And just look at how gorgeous they are. I just love them. And here I use the, what is it called? I know. Weathered wood. So this one I use the weathered wood. And this one I use the antique linen. And I think they both look pretty. So I'm going to do half and half. This one maybe has a little bit more. Yeah. So it's got like a little bit of blue. And so I'm going to do some of each. But I'm just going to do one to show you. And so it takes all 4 pieces. Oh, and I'm going to do 2 flower per swap person. So each one will get 2 flowers. And I'm going to put it on one of these. And I'll show you that when I get to it. Okay, so right now I have ground espresso on here. And that's what I'm using to kind of edge the leaves. And I think I'll do 1 flower with 2 leaves and 2 flowers, or 1 flower with just 1 leaf, because that way the whole thing will be 5, so that, you know, odd numbers are more pleasing to the eye. Okay, so let's see. I think I will do this one with the antique linen. And it sounds like there's ink in there, but I don't think there's too much. I know I used it for my daughter's baby album, so it's like, I think I've used quite a bit of it already. But it's still working. I might have a refill, I'm not sure. Okay, so I'm just gonna go around the edge, and a little bit on the other part. And as I get closer to the top, I'm going to use less. So that, so this one still gets some, this one still gets some, and I didn't do it to all of them, but that was my goal. Where it's like, I forgot and did more on them than what I wanted to, but my goal is to go a little whiter. And actually, it's gorgeous white. I mean, I would do that too. But I kind of like it that it has, you know, the different variations in color. So I don't want as much on this part. And then you only glue the part, what is it? The center, I think, is called the piston and the stamen, if I remember my biology. Okay, and so you just keep layering them. Starting with the one with the most petals, and see how they're getting smaller and less petals. And I just love how all the layers look. They're just beautiful. Oh, I guess I could zoom in a little bit. Okay. And then the center, I'm also going to put the antique linen on. And I'm going to do 2 in that. So I'm going to do both those so I don't forget. Okay. And then put the black center. I have to feel to see which one is like embossed. At first when I did one, it's like I put black first and it's like, oh no, that's a Black Eyed Susan. So, which should be pretty too. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and grab one of these and then show you how I plan on doing them to send them. So I cut these 4 by 3, I think. So they're 3 inches wide and 4 inches tall. And I was going to do 3 by 3 because that way I could get more out of it, but that just didn't work. I like the longer. Okay, and I might have a bunch of stuff in here, so I'm gonna dump it out. Oh, only at 2. I did more than that just now. Okay, so this is a Creative Memories, and it's called like Vintage or something like that. So I just thought it would be pretty and easy, and I wouldn't have to die cut. So then I'm gonna take the 2 flowers, put one like this, and one like this. And yes, I greened those already. Okay, so I'm gonna do 3. So save that one for the next one. So I think I will do one here. One here, and maybe they'll be different depending on which one, or you know. Let's see, or maybe I want one over here. So maybe something like that. Or do I want the 2 down here? Let me sample that. And maybe I'll do them all different, who knows. Okay. So they could be like that. I even thought about putting them so they're facing the same way. Because, you know, if the sun is shining, you know, that's what they would actually be doing. But I like them better like this. Decisions, decisions, decisions. Okay, I think I'm gonna do 2 down below and 1 up here. I have to look at it over top. I don't want to do 4 because I want there to be odd. Or do I want it like this? I don't know, I might mix it up. I might want them a little bit closer together. Kind of like that. I love the daisies, they're so gorgeous. do like them closer together. I think like that. Yep, that's how I'm gonna do them. Okay, so I'm gonna glue this one down first. And when you get them, you can always pull them up a little bit more. Cover like that. So maybe I could have actually went with a smaller one because I don't have it covered all the way to the bottom. But I like that, and then there's still room for a sentiment if you use it on a card, or even, you know, a little journaling if you're using it on a scrapbook page, which I will be using it on. So that is my embellishment. I love it. I hope everybody that gets one loves it. And I'm gonna do 2 in this antique linen, and then I'll do 2 in the worn weathered wood. And I really like that. Okay, so I will have close-ups at the end, and I will see you tomorrow. Remember, everybody will be linked down below who is playing, and you can go, you can click one link and see everybody who's making the embellishments. Or you can, you know, just go and check out everybody individually. And also, if you want to join in the swaps, there is a link to Ginger's Corner, the Facebook page, where you can sign up and come and swap embellishments with us. It's so fun. I did it the first year, and then I didn't do it for quite a while, and so I'm really happy to be doing it again. It's so fun to get different embellishments. So thanks for joining me. Have a wonderful day, and check out everybody else, and check out the Facebook group. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.